20-year-old makes $1 million in a year selling AI-generated books. Success story. Meet Joe, a 20-year-old computer science student who turned a unique business idea into a $1 million venture in just 1 year. Stick around as we delve into Joe's journey from a part-time gig to a thriving business, selling thousands of AI-generated books using an unconventional method with ChatGPT. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Meet Joe and his business. Meet Joe, a guy who went from stacking shelves in college for $11 an hour to being the brains behind a book brand worth a jaw-dropping $930,000 US. Now, Joe's not only your average entrepreneur. He's using AI to crank out books. And he's got some seriously cool tricks up his sleeve when it comes to getting the word out. So, let's take a closer look at Joe's story and spill the beans on how he pulled off his incredible success. Back in the day, Joe was your regular university student, hustling to make ends meet by stocking shelves for $11 an hour. Fast forward, and he's sitting on a book brand valued at almost $1 million. How did he do it? Well, it's not just about creating books. It's also about how he's shaking things up in the world of book advertising. Joe's got a knack for turning heads, and we're about to uncover the genius moves that got him where he is. First off, Joe's not a traditional book guy. He's flipped the script by letting AI do a lot of the heavy lifting. Imagine cranking out books without spending endless hours at the keyboard. That's Joe's game. He's tapped in the power of artificial intelligence to create content at a pace that's frankly mind-blowing. It's like having 24/7 writing assistant that never asks for a coffee break. The birth of the idea. In 2020, fresh out of high school, Joe delved into possibilities of using GPT-3 to enhance various business models. 2 years later, in 2022, he seized an opportunity when a publishing company showcased remarkable success and revenue generated from selling books. Intrigued by the potential, Joe saw a unique opening in the market and decided to explore the world of AI-generated books, an area that hadn't seen much competition. Embarking on this journey, Joe harnessed the power of AI to create books, unlocking a realm that was largely untapped by others. His innovative approach didn't stop at content creation. It extended to his marketing strategies. Joe's unique blend of leveraging AI technology and implementing inventive advertising tactics played a pivotal role in catapulting his book brand to a staggering valuation of $930,000. As we unravel Joe's story, we uncover not just the technical prowess behind AI-generated books, but also the ingenious methods he employed to market them effectively. It's a testament to the evolving landscape where the intersection of technology and entrepreneurship can lead to remarkable success. Building the business. Self-funded and initially self-taught, Joe started small, generating 10 to 20 books in August. By September, he had expanded to 40 books, and on October 3rd, he achieved his first profitable day. The business began to snowball, and by December 28th, he hit a remarkable $1,000 profit in a single day. Despite some initial mistakes, Joe's determination and continuous learning propelled his success. Managing business amid college. One of the biggest challenges for Joe was juggling his book brand with full-time college attendance and a part-time job. To make it work, he dropped 2 courses, dedicating time to both his education and the business. It was a balancing act, but Joe's passion and commitment fueled his ability to manage both. Before we move on AI-generated books, how to start, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. AI-generative books, how to start. For those eager to explore AI-generative books, Joe recommends starting by understanding AI models' intricacies and learning to optimize outputs. Finding a niche with traffic and ambitious audiences is crucial. Joe emphasizes connecting emotionally with the audience and presenting your product as the solution to their aspirations. The key lies in combining AI proficiency with effective marketing strategies. Creating AI-generated ebooks. The process. Initially, Joe proofreaded his books meticulously, learning from competitors and refining his approach. Over time, he developed a streamlined process. Now, he outlines the book using ChatGPT, refines the content, and ensures it resonates with the target audience. Despite being new to the book industry, his early ebooks received positive feedback, reinforcing the potential of his unique approach. Marketing with Pinterest ads. A significant portion of Joe's success comes from Pinterest ads. He advises starting with consideration campaigns to identify profitable niches and then transitioning to conversation campaigns for precision. A well-crafted landing page is crucial, showcasing the lead value, chapter previews, and brand image. Pinterest, with its growing user base, offers ample room for growth in advertising AI-generated books. Facing competition and saturation. With a loyal customer base and substantial momentum, Joe remains unfazed by new entrants. He believes healthy competition is an opportunity to enhance value and service. The vast market, coupled with advertising channels like Google and Facebook, ensures significant room for growth. Joe emphasizes providing continuous value and improving to stay ahead in the game. The financial success, profit margins, and business valuation. Joe's profit margins range from 70% to 80% with ads being the primary expense. His impressive profit of $390,000 and a business valuation of $930,000 reflect the lucrative nature of his venture. The success demonstrates the potential of AI-generated books in the current market. The future and beyond books. Currently, Joe is collaborating with an investor to sell portions of his book brands, showcasing the scalability and repeatable nature of his business model. Beyond books, Joe has a keen interest in AI music, hinting at potential future endeavors in the dynamic world of artificial intelligence. Parting advice from Joe. Reflecting on his journey, Joe advises aspiring entrepreneurs to prioritize learning and over-earning. Building a robust skill set sets the foundation for success. He encourages staying focused on continuous improvement and providing value to customers. Joe's journey, from a university student to a successful entrepreneur, inspires us to embrace challenges and explore innovative opportunities. Conclusion. And there you have it, Joe's incredible success story in the world of AI-generated books. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. We hope Joe's journey sparks your entrepreneurial spirit. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.